Your garage cabinets will arrive on one or more pallets depending on your order size. Locker cabinets may be delivered on their own individual small pallets, which are then stacked on the main shipping pallet. Additional cabinets are nested inside the locker for ease of shipping. Worktops and accessory boxes will typically be packaged in between or secured to the side of the cabinets. Most NewAge shipments weigh over 500 pounds. We recommend having 2 able-bodied individuals present to assist you with your delivery. Use an appliance or furniture dolly to further assist in moving the cabinets if needed. Locate the locker carton that is visibly marked front. This is the heaviest carton and should be unpacked directly on the pallet. Start by carefully cutting away the shrink wrap and all the strapping. Move any worktops and accessory boxes over to your unpacking area. Remove the corner edges and cardboard carton from the cabinet. Open the doors of your locker cabinet and remove the wall cabinets, followed by accessories and base cabinets. Remember to place your cabinets on a soft surface to protect the paint finish as you unpack. You may have to repeat the locker de-stuff procedure before the remaining products can be lifted off. Take a look to ensure that your cabinets are free from damage and you've received all ordered parts. For any damaged or missing items, contact NewAge Products customer service at 1-877-306-8930. Once all the items have been removed from the inside of the locker, close and lock the doors using the supplied keys in the hardware box to prevent the doors from accidentally opening while moving the cabinet into your garage. Using 2 or more people, tilt the locker to one side so it comes off its pallet base and lower it carefully onto your furniture dolly, easily transporting it into your space. The remaining cabinets can be lifted off the pallet and carried closer to the house before unpacking if required. Watch the garage cabinet installation video for information on attaching leveling legs, inserting shelves, and setting up your cabinet system.